curve today. Window shaker, old screen, WWE door, WWE chair. Cool. I guess there's no chance of resale. Hey, it's a circuit breaker box. With circuits? Don't know. Oh yeah. Oh, it's full of them. Sweet. Something good to take apart. Is it the same checkered cab? I don't know. I'll be darned. Cool. Let's go ask the question. Coast. It's been a while. Whew. Picked up a dishwasher. Hospital bed. It's mechanical, it doesn't work. Sorry, Brenda. And a few other goodies. Let's go see if we can't get some more. Update my friend Brenda. She's in the hospital. She shattered her right elbow just trying to get out of bed with the bed lift assistance. But anyways, good news is they say now she doesn't have cancer. But then we've heard that 3 times. But she's in the hospital. She's getting the proper test that she needs. So we're waiting on the bone density test and some other test. Well, when I find out more, I'll let you know. But let's go find some more scrap. Scrappity scrap. One neighborhood down. Truck is really full. Now if I come across a washing machine, I still got the tailgate. But if I come across a refrigerator, oh well. I'll save it for Gary. Or I'll just swing back by tomorrow morning. See if it's still there. Let's dip down to the beach road. See what's available. I'll be back. See what part of the sunset we can see. How much the clouds are blocking it all up. Oh, there it is. Focus. Zoom in. Nobody's behind me. And the phone doesn't really do it justice, but nice. Alright. Let's go check in this dumpster that sits right on the road. Maybe there's some goodies in there. Maybe. More style. Anything? See a chair. In the drink. Oh well. Those are the shrimp boats going out to go shrimping tonight. Mostly bait shrimp. Got a dog pen and a sink. Oh, I'm not sure if it's metal though. I'll get back to you. The magnet. No stick. Only one problem. See that coating on there? Sometimes they classify that as dirty. But we'll take it anyways. It's a nacho vacuum cleaner. Ha! It's another nacho vacuum cleaner. Too bad I'm not going over there anytime soon. Prime example. This guy has my phone number, but a lot of times they just feel, well, you run through the neighborhood, I didn't bother to call you. Well, I got it. Well, we're getting a little bit of a sag. She's on there. Well, after I'm done with this neighborhood, that's it, because that's a little sketchy sitting on the back end. Well, that's it for tonight. Tomorrow morning we'll go to the scrap yard and get the hashtag WWPay. What a way, what a pay. Felt good to be able to go out and do a little street scrapping. Let's see, I went through 4 neighborhoods and 1 1/4 paid off. But I'm close to home. Might have burned 1/8 of a tank of gas. And I got more work lined up tomorrow and Sunday. And definitely going to hit it Sunday, street scrapping. My trailer's getting emptied hopefully tomorrow. Well, that's the game plan. It's got to get empty tomorrow so I can use my trailer. I got people texting me right now as I'm talking. All good in the hood. Tell you one thing, if I'm going to be doing some street scrapping at nighttime, oh, there we go. I'm going to need me a spotlight. Away to the scrapyard, we pick up a few more tidbits. We still got room. We still got room. All right, let's go. Let's go see what this weighs, what it pays. Don't forget the coffee. Already got the goodies off the dishwasher. No need in giving them free stuff. See what we can't find in the fancy neighborhood that generally doesn't cough up nothing. But we'll take a look. See. How busy it's gonna be today. Well, busy. Working on the boat. Want to go fishing tomorrow. Just a little crane action while I can. The claw! Oh, hell, the claw. That's enough. What a way, what a pay. Light iron. 556 pounds, still holding at 6 cents a pound for $3.36. Old sheet, 1 pound, 30 cents for 30 cents. Well, 30 cents a pound for 30 cents. Clean stainless. Wow, I was surprised they gave me clean stainless for that sink. Cool. Of course, it doesn't matter. Stainless, 25 cents. Anyways, 15 pounds, 25 cents for $3.75. Dirty extrusion aluminum. That's with 2 screen doors. 8 pounds, 40 cents a pound for $3.20 for a total of $41. Not bad at all. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share me out if you can. A little update on my friend Brenda. She's doing better. She's getting all the proper tests that she needs, so I don't know when she's coming home from the hospital, but her spirits are better, so that's good. More videos to come. More videos to be coming.